Get on my head.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know most of you have been waiting for this video. So today I'm going to be discussing what to do when you get to the UK, how to make money in the UK, like when you get here, how to start making money, apps you need to download, and a whole lot of things. So I will advise you guys keep watching because this video is going to be really helpful. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comment down below, guys. I really love seeing these comments. I love you. Okay guys, so when you get to the UK, the first thing you have to do is your accommodation. So I'm just going to be posting some things down you can use. So you can check spare room, you can use spare room, flat share. There are different apps, so I'm just going to be posting it on the description box. Then after that, you have to register for your NI, that's your national insurance. So basically, it's hard to get a job if you don't have your national insurance. I'm not saying you won't get a job, but most jobs here, they would require that you have your NI number, and sometimes the NI takes some time. But for me, it took about 2 weeks. So I'm just going to be dropping the link on the description box. So if you click on it and then you're having issues on how to apply, you can always send me a private message on my email address or on my Instagram at @Alex, and then I'll put it through. Then when you know that you're done applying for your NI, you get your BLP. So for your BLP, you look at when you get your visa, there's this paper that comes with it, and on the paper it shows where your BLP is supposed to be. So in my situation, my BLP was to be picked up in a post office, and I went there to pick it up. I just went with my passport and the letter. But then for most people, their BRP is usually in school. So if your BRP is in school, you don't have an issue. Usually the school will send you a mail that, okay, you can come and pick up your BRP. But if it's taking so much time, you can go yourself and then ask them if your BRP is ready. So yeah, so after that, okay, before that, actually, I think another important thing because of your movement is that you need to get an account, a bank account. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys two wonderful apps, and I'm going to be sharing my link in the description box below on how to open your account. So yeah, for opening your account, I'm going to be introducing you guys to two banks, the Revolut and the Momo, something like that. So yeah, so the thing is that for the Revolut, I'm going to be showing my link. So basically all you have to do is click my link and use the referral code, whatever referral code you see there. So when you use that, you'll be able to share your own link to people, and then you get paid. And then for the other one is the one that is very important. This one, guys, you will get free £30. Free £30 for using my code. Free £30. So now listen. And this card will be delivered to you in your account, in your location. So if you're in your Airbnb, they can deliver it there. If you're in your studio accommodation, they can deliver it there. Free £30. Now listen. So yeah, all you have to do is click my link, click the link on my description box. This is for the second account, the Monzo. Not Monzo. Just click my link. So you just click the link, and then you see my referral code. My code is there. And then you put it, so it was me that referred you, right? So after you do this, you apply for your ATM card. So now I know most of you will be like, oh, but I just came to the UK. I don't have pounds. How do I apply for my ATM card? There's no problem. So now there's this other app, and if you also use my link for this app, you get free money. And I'm going to be showing the link on my description box. So this is the Lemonade app. So all you have to do is click the link, click my link for the Lemonade app. Then you open an account, right? When you open an account with the Lemonade, you can now send money from your Naira account to the Lemonade, and then from your Lemonade to the pound account. If you need help, you can always send me a message on Instagram or my email, anosbeautyhouse.com. That's fine. So for you to get paid this extra money, remember you have to use my link. You have to use my referral code and my link. Because if you don't do that, don't come and tell me, oh, I wasn't paid anything, because it's on your own. So all you have to do is check my description box. You see the lemonade, you see my link. So you have to click it, open an account, and then you send money to you can send money from your naira to the lemonade, and then from lemonade to your pound account. So this is after you've opened the account. So let's say you send about £3 to this account I'm talking about. So by the time you do that, you apply for your ATM card. When they deliver your ATM card to you, you would use your ATM card. And once you use your ATM card, instantly you get credited £30. This is for using my code, guys. £30. 30 for using my code for this bank. So usually I usually like explaining this bank to people because it's much better, because you know you're making money from it, basically, for just opening accounts with them. So then when you now get your card and then you get settled, you can try to open another account like Lloyd's Bank. You can just go to the nearest bank, HSBC, there are other banks. But then to make money, and because you are new, I usually advise you have this one. So personally, I have the Lloyd's Bank, I have the other one, I have my Revolut. But then I use Revolut and my Lloyd's Bank for saving. So most of my money saves there, and then the other one for expenses. So yeah, so this is, I've told you one way to make money. All you have to do is use my link, my referral code. I think Oluwa something. Use my referral code and get yourself free money. Free money, guys. Free one. So yeah, that is for that. So aside that, there are also some other free apps, like not free apps, but there are also some other apps. As a student, you get to have discounts, like like the Beans app and all of that. So I'm just going to put in it on my screen so you can see everything on my screen. All you have to do is go to your app store or your Play Store and then download these apps. And like I said earlier, if you need help with these apps, how to reflect your how to get your discount, you can always send me a message. I'm free to answer you. I will always answer you. But please, I would refer it actually if you drop it on the description on my comment section, so that at least other people that are watching this video would also know how to do it. So I don't have to repeat myself over and over again. So I appreciate if you actually drop it there. So yeah, aside that, so you download the apps, you get your account, and yeah, you need a job. So yeah, so first of all, I'm going to be talking about one particular app, Stint. So this is basically for students, because usually getting a job here is not easy, because they will ask for your CV, they will ask for interview. There are some of them, you go for your interview and then you still won't get the job. It has happened to me a lot of times. But now with this one, you don't need an interview and you are 100% sure of getting the job. So all you have to do is download the app. This is the app. Download it, STINT, guys. Download the app. Then when you download the app, you would see a location. So you put London, and then you automatically get to your Zoom meeting. So the Zoom meeting, basically the Zoom meeting, they're just going to tell you, okay, do not leave the Zoom meeting. They will tell you, okay, there's something on the chat box. You go there, you click the chat box, and then you upload the I think your BRP, yeah, the front and back of your BRP. This is why I suggested that when you get to the UK, you have to pick up your BRP. So you upload the front and back of your BRP, right? And then they'll get back to you. So it took me about close to 2 weeks before they got back to me. So yeah, they would ask you for your school email, because they have to confirm that you're a student. And then after that, they'll direct you to somebody else, and then this person is just going to tell you about the app and everything. So there's really no interview, they're just telling you about it. And then you wait for some time, and then when your account has been verified, you can start applying for jobs. So this is how it looks, because I'm currently doing it right now, and this is how it looks. So when your account is verified, it looks exactly like this, right? And you can pick any job. So you just slide up, just go up, and all of that down. You pick any job you're fine with. So it keeps they keep adding jobs, removing. So if you see a job and you feel, okay, this pay is low, you can hold on and you get another job. So you just pick your availability, when you be available, if you be. So guys, the kind of job that you see there, um you see different jobs, so you just pick the one you can do. This is why in my previous video I said you guys should have to try to get a white top, a t-shirt, like white t-shirts, white corporate shirt, black jeans, black corporate trouser, white corporate shirt, trainers, black shoe, because those are basically the uniforms for this app. So you pick what you want and then they pay after every 2 weeks, like after every 2 weeks. Is that not amazing? So it's very easy, and like I said, if you have issues with it, you can always let me know. I'm always here to help you. So that is for that. Then we have the Indeed, we have Job Shop. So basically these are just some of the apps that you can get. I'm going to just be putting it on the screen, right? So this is just how you can get the job. So you get the job, and yeah, so before I forget, there's another app, and yeah, you have to use my link. So you just go to my link and then you click. So when you use my link, you get a result. Like I said, you get something every time you use my link. So don't forget to use my link and my referral code. So this app is called Vinted. So let's say you come to the UK and then you realize, okay, I can't wear this again. This is no longer my size. What do I do? All you have to do is snap it. You open an account with them, then you snap it, and then you post it on the app with a price. How much do you want to sell it? And yeah, just like that. So there are also some people that I find on the app that are selling like newly made things, like new shoes, new tops, and all of that. So you can basically do this in the UK, like just snap. Because when I came, there was this boots that was like too small for me, and then I just posted it on the app, and then I was able to get the buyer, and then I sold it. So this is also another way you can make money in the UK. So like it's so much easy. So yeah, this is all I can remember for now. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you have any questions, inquiries, please leave it on the comment section and I will try my very best to answer you. Also, don't forget to check my description box because it has so many links and all of that. And if I remember, if there's something I didn't add and I remember, I'm also going to put it in the description box. So yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.